Welcome to my channel MR Engineering Drawing for the Victor 2020 and a mechanical engineering student. Today we are going to draw a tool maker clamp. It is very easy and simple. First draw one straight line. Again draw one line like this. Okay. After that join this one. After take little bit and make it taper. Okay. After that, very easy and simple, same procedure, make one more line like this, and here take one more line. Okay, draw a curve. Okay, this will be the adjusting screw. Again take here and join this line, and join this line. Okay, after that this parallel line will join here. This parallel line will join here. After that take here and take little bit taper curve and join this line and join this line. It will come like this. After that in the upper part same line. Okay, after that this taper line will join here. This taper take here, then leave like this. Here will make the screw adjustment. This is a screw adjustment. Here one more screw adjustment. Here it will come one more taper, and here one more taper, and join this line, taper curve. This is for the handle purpose. Okay, we'll cut here, take here, this is for the handle. This is adjustable screw. Then in the upper part same like we'll draw here one spherical curve. After that take here, take this parallel line and join here. Okay, here we'll make one curve, one more little bit extension curve. Here one circle. This is for the handle. Okay, this will be the clamp plate. This will be the clip. This will be the jaw. This will be the adjusting screw. For the adjusting screw, after finishing this one, do shading. If you like this video, please share to your friends, put subscribe, like. We can do more videos for the useful subject. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you. If you like this video, please share to your friends. This is a tool maker clamp.